Yeah, alright, guys. This is Bugri Roger here, and then welcome to this channel. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing right now because you have amazing videos coming your way very, very soon. This is social reviews. Subscribe, share this video to your friends. Alright, so today we're going to look at how to be able to get an iOS WhatsApp on Android. Alright, so I'm going to take you through how you are going to do all of these things. Alright. So what you have to do is to download WhatsApp GMB. Alright, download what? WhatsApp GMB. When you download WhatsApp GMB, you just have to open it up. But before that, you have to download an XML file. I will link it up in description. Okay, I'll put in description. You have to download an XML file. So this is my current theme. So I'm going to, the iOS theme is not on the GMB WhatsApp. Alright, it's not there. Alright, so you have to download the XML file, which I will link in description. If you don't do that, it will be hard for you to get the iOS 11 WhatsApp on your Android. So I've downloaded the app. I've downloaded the XML file. You can see it here. Yeah, I'm sure you have seen it. So what you have to do is come to this place, click on this more, then click on load. Alright, load. So you click on that, it will be like this. Click on the back. When you click on the back, you see this. So you see I downloaded it into my downloads. So I just come to the download and then now. So you come here like this and then come to download. Then you choose the file. Alright, iPhone WhatsApp theme. So you'll be asked to restart application. So I've restarted my application. Then let's go and see if it worked. Boom, boom. Yeah, so as you can see, this an iOS WhatsApp on Android. Alright, iOS WhatsApp on Android, and it feels good and it's cool. Right, it's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. Yep, it's cool. It's amazing. I'm making another video about how to get the updated one. Okay, this is not an updated one, but I'll make a video. So subscribe and turn on notifications bell so that you'll be able to learn how to download the updated one on your Android device. Okay, guys, so that is it, and you having something like this. So just subscribe to the channel. All right, stay blessed.